Welcome to Active Art. I'm going to try a pour through this old planter I had out in the garage. I cleaned it up a bit and it just intrigued me with all those holes. So I thought we'd try a little spill. Now I'm already got paint over. This was going to be the first painting I did today, but as I was getting set up, the doorbell rang and a new toy had arrived, and it was a spinner. So I went ahead and played with the spinner for a minute, and that's going to be fun. I had one before and I'll still use it with some things, but it didn't spin fast enough for like a spin effect. It just was more of if you needed to get to the other side of the canvas. Forgot to support the middle of the canvas with all that weight on it from the planter. Let's see. That'll be too much. Try that out. Let's see if I can do this. Not too much. Come on, baby. There we go. That was a smaller planter, it'd probably work out a little bit better because the paints are kind of getting mixed in the pot before they come out. But still should be some interesting effects. It was actually the red I had left over from the balloons I made on those surreal projects from before. And this is a brown I made up today. It has a little Sergeant Art brown, Sergeant Art burnt umber, and some of the Liquitex acrylic ink gold. Just a little more white on that. And there's a little bug that got in here that seems very attracted to this.
Just too broke. Fill it back up, so we left your truck on the road with road. Then we found a motel with a cigarette smell, so we knew we're close. We don't need a map everywhere.
Put this other cup back under it because it's pulling a little. There we go.
Find some peace of mind to make my way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday.
There we go.
Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. But don't get left behind on the road. But don't get left behind on the road. kind enough to give us all a ride. And we wouldn't have a clue if we'd make it back to or even where we go. We don't need on everywhere is home. A Ford stopped on the street, said where you trying to be. We said we don't really care. We'll know it when we're there. We took on down the road. He flipped on his radio. Santeria started slow, so we knew that we were close. Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday.
All right, now let's thin her out a little bit.
Engine burning while we're turning it around. Don't be left behind on the road. 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 Don't get left behind on the road. Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. We left this town with the speakers loud and the radio playing old Sublime that we stole our lives.
Don't want to quite catch the edge too much yet. Maybe the next time around.
We'd make it by noon or even where we go. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. We don't need a map. The tank said E and we all agreed that we're just too broke. Fill it back up, so we left your truck on the road with Rome. Then we found a motel with a cigarette smell, so we knew we were close. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. We don't need a map, everywhere. Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my own way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. But don't get left behind on the road.
Did this on a bigger canvas because it was a bigger flower pot.
We hold our thumbs high and hope someone is kind enough to give us all a ride. And we wouldn't have a clue if we'd make it back to or even where we'd go. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. A Ford stopped on the street, said where you trying to be. We said we don't really care. We'll know it when we're there. We took on down the road. He flipped on his radio. Santeria started slow, so we knew that we were close. Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my own way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. But don't get left behind on the road.
I don't know, I kind of want to keep playing with it, but I kind of want to leave it like that. I always wonder if there's something else she wants to reveal.
Don't get left behind on the road. Home is where I can find some peace of mind and make my own way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it.
Honestly, I think I'm going to leave it like that. I don't want to...
Don't get left
Most of the mixes I used today, I mixed up in the large cup, and I used about a shot glass, 3/4 of this kind of glass, full of GAC 800 and the Liquitex pouring medium, and then I put in about 2.5, about 2 of these of Floetrol, give or take, because some paints are a little thicker and some are a little thinner, just in the weight of the pigments and that sort of thing. So it varied a little bit, but that's basically the mix I used. I'll put some of the products in the description. Thanks for coming by. If you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button.